Hello guys, today I will bring you how to cook all 3 meals for everyone to see. Let's go! The first menu of the day is breakfast.
Sliced bread,
sausage, soy sauce, milk and fruit,
egg,
vegetable.
The first, melt the butter in the pan and then melt the eggs. For the omelette egg. And then melt sausage to the pan for grilled sausage. And then melt the sliced bread for grill. And then finish for breakfast today. The next menu is lunch. Let's watch the cooking for lunch. Let's go!
Chicken and fish, noodle sauce, egg, chili,
lemon,
shallot,
vegetable,
The first, melt big eye fish to fry in hot oil. And then blanch the mixed vegetables. And then blanch the egg. And then bring cooked ingredients to arrange a beautiful dish. And the next menu to dinner. Let's get.
chicken, with sauce,
soy sauce, garlic and Korean root,
black pepper,
black soy sauce,
palm sugar, sauce cream ครับ
The first, melt a chicken to pot. And then seasoning. The first, green cup sauce. And then soy sauce. And then melt fish sauce. And then melt palm sugar to a pot. And then melt a garlic and coriander root into a pot. And then melt a black soy sauce into a pot. And then melt water into a pot. And then melt a black pepper into a pot. and then boil eggs. And then bring cooked ingredients to arrange a beautiful dish. And then finally, thank you to watching my video. Goodbye.